I test a lot of dash cams and there is one fatal flaw almost every cheap camera has. You only find out it's bad when you actually need the footage. You get cut up at night, someone clips your car, or there's an insurance dispute. And then you think, it's fine, my dash cam caught it. Then you check the footage and the number plate is just a blurry white box. Headlights are blown out, road signs are hard to read, and the one bit of evidence you needed is basically useless. That is the biggest problem with cheap dash cams. So today I'm testing this, the BOTSLAB G300H Plus. It's a 4K front and rear dash cam with STARVIS 2 sensor, built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control and support for 24/7 parking monitoring. And at the time of this listing, it's around £85 on Amazon with a 64GB card included. So the question is simple. Can this £85 dash cam actually capture useful evidence when cheap dash cams usually fail? My last BOTSLAB dashcam video did really well because that camera solved a very specific problem: side impact accidents and full 4-channel coverage. But not everyone needs a 4-channel dashcam with side cameras. Most people just want something simpler. They want front and rear recording. They want clear footage. They want decent night vision, and they want GPS proof. And they want to get their clips onto their phone quickly if something happens. So this is not trying to be the ultimate all-angle dashcam. This is a much cheaper, simpler setup for everyday drivers. And in this review, I'm testing 3 things. First, can it capture useful detail at night? Second, can you get footage onto your phone quickly? And third, does GPS and rear recording make it strong enough for insurance evidence? Because if you're buying a dashcam for protection, those are the things that actually matter. Inside the box, you get the main front dashcam, the rear camera, the cables, the windscreen mount, quick guide, and importantly, a 64GB memory card included. That matters because some cheaper dashcams don't include a proper card, so the real cost goes up straight away. The front camera records up to 4K and it has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, which helps capture more of the road ahead. You also get a rear camera, so you're not only protecting the front of the car. So on paper, for around £85, the spec list is strong. But specs are one thing. Footage is what matters. Installation is fairly straightforward, especially for the front camera. The G300H Plus has a low-profile design, so it sits close against the windscreen rather than hanging down on a big suction mount. I like that because once it's tucked near the rear view mirror, it doesn't really feel distracting while you're driving. The rear camera takes longer, but that's normal with any front and rear dashcam. You need to route the cable neatly towards the back window, so don't rush that part. My advice is to power everything on first, open the app, check the front and rear camera angles, and only then start hiding the cables. The quick answer on installation is this. The front camera is simple to fit, while the rear camera just needs a bit more patience because you're routing the cable to the back window. This is the big test because nearly every dashcam looks decent in perfect daylight. The real question is, what happens at night? The BOTSLAB G300H Plus records in 4K at the front, which gives you more detail to work with when you're trying to see road signs, traffic lights, lane position, and what other vehicles were doing. But 4K alone does not guarantee good footage. A lot of cheap 4K dash cams still fall apart at night because the sensor can't handle dark roads, rain, reflections, and bright headlights. That's where the STARVIS 2 sensor comes in. BOTSLAB says this sensor is designed to give better sensitivity and colour accuracy in low light. In normal language, that means it should give you a better chance of capturing useful footage when conditions are difficult. And this is what matters. If something happens at night, you don't just need a nice looking video. You need enough detail to show what happened. You need the road layout, you need the vehicle movement, you need the traffic lights, you need the lane position. And if conditions are right, you want a better chance of capturing number plates too. Now, I'm not going to pretend this is magic. Number plates still depend on distance, speed, angle, rain, glare, and how clean your windscreen is. But compared with basic cheap dash cams, this gives you a much better chance of getting useful evidence. The second problem with a lot of dash cams is getting the footage off the camera. After an incident, you don't want to start removing memory cards, hunting for adapters, or waiting ages for a video to transfer. The G300H Plus has 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which BOTSLAB says is up to 5 times faster than older 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi dash cams. That means you can connect through the BOTSLAB app, preview footage, and download clips straight to your phone. This is one of those features that sounds boring until the day you actually need it. Because if you're on the side of the road, or you need to save a clip before it gets overwritten, fast phone access is genuinely useful. The third test is evidence. Because video is useful, but GPS can make it stronger. The G300H Plus has built-in GPS, which can record your route, location, and speed with the footage. That could be useful if someone claims you were speeding, says you were in the wrong lane, or argues about where the incident happened. For normal drivers, it gives peace of mind. For commuters, ride-share drivers, delivery drivers, or parents keeping an eye on a younger driver, it becomes even more useful. For insurance evidence, these are the features I'd be looking for. Front and rear footage, built-in GPS, speed and location data, good night recording, and easy access to the video files. The G300H Plus ticks these boxes. You also get voice control, which lets you use voice commands like take photo or start video. That's handy because you don't want to be pressing buttons on a camera while you're driving. A dashcam should protect you without becoming another distraction. It also supports 24/7 parking monitoring, which is designed to protect the car while it's parked. But this part is important. For proper parking mode, you need the separate hardwire kit. So if your main reason for buying this is parked car protection, like someone scraping your car in a car park or hitting it overnight, factor the hardwire kit into the total cost. So yes, the BOTSLAB G300H Plus supports parking mode, but don't expect full 24/7 protection from a normal cigarette lighter install. So let's wrap this up. The main positives are clear. You're getting 4K front recording, front and rear protection, a STARVIS 2 sensor, built-in GPS, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, voice control, and a 64GB card included. At around £85, that is a strong feature set for the money. The low profile design is also a nice touch because it doesn't look huge on the windscreen. But there are a few things to keep in mind. The rear camera takes more time to install. Parking mode needs the separate hardwire kit. And like every dashcam, footage quality still depends on real-world conditions. So I wouldn't call this a miracle camera that guarantees perfect number plates every time, but as a budget 4K front and rear dashcam under £100, I think the BOTSLAB G300H Plus makes a lot of sense. It solves the big problem cheap dashcams usually have, giving you a better chance of useful footage when conditions are not perfect. If you want to check the latest price, I'll leave a link in the description. Now, a quick question just before you leave. Are you currently using a dashcam? Front only, front and rear, 4-channel, or nothing at all? Drop it in the comments because I'm curious what most people are actually using. If this review helped, hit like, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.